Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech with K. In last video we discuss how we can apply for a car through Meezan Bank Ijarah, and we discuss all the features, all the eligibilities and all the process to apply for a car through Meezan Bank. In this video we will discuss about the calculation of any car which Meezan Bank giving to the customers, and what is the main feature and calculation of a car. When you buy a car, you should be clear for this calculations. What is the total price of the car, what is the total monthly rent of the car, and how many years you want to apply. So previous video we discuss Meezan car Ijarah, and what is the Meezan car Ijarah. We discuss its key features, and we discuss its eligibility criteria. We discuss its profit product rates, takafur rates, required documents, and how to apply, and how to who is the eligible for this salary percent, what is the requirement for salary persons, and what is the requirement for businessman, and what is the residual value of Ijarah, special offer for a car, and other all features we discuss about for this site. Today we will discuss the calculation of the car when you apply a car. If you want to apply a car, we go to the first option and then select a new car or old car, and we want to apply in new car, so we select the new car. After this, select vendor. At select vendor, there are the companies which are Meezan Bank given to the customers: Honda Atlas cars, Hyundai cars, Indus Motors, Kia Lucky Motor Pakistan, Master Motors, Park Suzuki Motors, Govt, Proton, and Legal. So we first of all we select the Park Suzuki Motor, and after this select a car, we select a Bulan VX or Bulan AC. We select the Bulan VX. After this tenure we select the 5-year tenure for Bulan VX. So what is the deposit for this? Deposit, the first deposit is 15% to 50%, and we can deposit from 15% or 50% from the total price of the vehicle. So we select the 30%, and after this residual value is 20%, and car delivery immediate or booking. So we go to the immediate, and let's see what happened when we click to the calculate. So we calculate its all its feature. Number one, vehicle detail. Number one, price of vehicle. Price of vehicle is 15 lakh. Next, upfront, we deposit the payment is 20%. Security deposit it 4,50,000 rupees, 30%, which is the 450 is a total price of the 15 lakh is 30%. Processing fees is 2,500, and total upfront fees when you disbursement with the bank, you deposit 4,52,500 rupees at the time of contract. And number of total month installments is 60, and rent per month is 29,259 rupees, which you deposit to the bank. So we discuss in next car, and look what is the variation of this. Let's start to the other calculator. So we select a new car, select Hyundai, and then select the Elantra Tucson. We select the Tucson, and tenure is 7-year. Deposit up to 50%, and residual value is 30%. and car delivery we want immediately. So we calculate the procedure. Look, Tucson GLF FWD, it's a model name. Price of vehicle is 57 lakh 99,000 rupees, which is almost 58 lakh rupees. Residual value is 30%. Deposit fee at the time of contract is 50%, and 50% is 28 lakh 99,500 rupees. And processing fees is as other cars are 2,500, and total upfront price is 29 lakh 2,000 rupees, and number of installment is 84, and rent per month which is 70,917. So we go to the next old car, select a old car, select a vendor, we select a Suzuki car, and we select after we select a model we want in 2020. Car price should be 5 lakh. Deposit is 30% we select. Tenure is 3 year, and let's calculate the button and what is it happened. So price of vehicle is 5 lakh. Upfront security deposit is 1 lakh 50,000 is 30% of 5 lakh. Evaluation fees is 2,000. Processing fees is 2,500. Total upfront when the time of contract, you should deposit 1 lakh 54,500. And number of month is 36, and number of per month rent is 15,698 rupees. So we can easily calculate all the car plans from here. So I hope you enjoy this video. In next video we will discuss any other any other facility from a bank which you get a benefit from this. Thank you so much.